Stop burning your expensive AI credits. In the next 5 minutes, you are going to completely master Seedance 2.0 without wasting a single dime. We all know Seedance 2.0 delivers some of the most consistent, realistic, and cinematic physics out there, but it comes at the cost of high premium credits. One bad prompt, one weird glitch, and boom, your tokens are gone forever. Most creators are literally throwing money into a black hole. But what if you could test, iterate, and lock down your visuals for a fraction of the cost before you ever hit render? That is where this hidden workflow comes in. By using TopView Agent v2 and the brand new GPT Image 2 model together, we are going to build the perfect reference image first. Head over to the board feature on the left, and let's save your credits. Just paste the reference character prompt that includes the core subject description, location and environment, weather and motion, facial expressions, visual style, and lighting details. To follow along with this video, I have added the full prompts document in the description so you can access it easily. Choose the aspect ratio, resolution, and number of images. Before hitting the Generate button, you can see that these two images will cost only 1.6 credits. For high-quality images like these, the cost is not very high. Simply download your reference story image and use it in the next steps. To make video production easier and less credit-consuming, head over to the storyboard section. This will save us from burning unnecessary credits. Upload your reference images. You can upload up to 16 images, but I will go with only 2 images. Now, paste your story idea. It can be a detailed scene-by-scene text or a short, precise description that explains the whole story. With the landscape aspect ratio and the GPT Image 2 model, you can convert your story into a maximum of 25 key moments. But for now, I will stick to 16 scenes. And you can see that it costs less than 1 credit for a complete storyboard of key moments. And finally, we have a 16-scene storyboard created using the GPT Image 2 model. The images look perfect according to our story, with a consistent character throughout the entire storyboard. As a comparison, here is the same story image generated with Nano Banana 2. Apart from the 2D line art style, the overall storyboard still looks good. But to proceed with this video, I have generated a 9-scene storyboard. Simply download your image. Now, go back to the main dashboard of this tool. With the video agent model selected, I will upload the reference story images generated earlier. Paste the story idea, and with the basic settings, choose the 30-second video duration. Then click this button to move into the chat-based interface. Here, the whole 30-second story idea is converted into 3 10-second scenes using the uploaded reference images. Simply click this button to use the prompt and generate the videos. Here comes another great feature of this tool called multi-scene. You can generate all the scenes at once instead of setting up each scene one by one. You can enhance the prompt, add any reference, and adjust the video duration. You can also use the Enhance All button to adjust all the scenes automatically. By clicking the Generation button, the video generation process will begin. Relax and wait for the video generation to be completed. Once it's done, we have the videos for all 3 scenes. The video quality looks good, with perfect scene animation, strong character consistency in each shot, and smooth scene transitions. Everything looks clean and professional. If you are getting value from this video, make sure to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. To extend this story further, simply click the Add Scenes button. Instead of copying and pasting the whole next scene prompt, simply ask it to extend the scene further. Adjust the scene duration, and by clicking the Enhance button, this simple chat text will be converted into a detailed scene prompt. And here we have another amazing result. With perfect scene animation, camera movement, sound effects, and a consistent character. All the scenes will now be combined on the timeline, where you can adjust them before exporting. Once everything is finalized, simply click the export button to download your video as separate clips or as one complete zipped video file. And this is the video I generated by uploading the 16 scene storyboard image. For a limited time, you can get a 67% discount on the annual plans. The Ultra plan gives you the freedom to access this tool for unlimited generations, but with a longer waiting time for generations during the first 14 days. Follow these simple steps to generate amazing content at a much cheaper cost compared to other video models. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.